Welcome to this video where we are going to solve this question where we'll be expressing all these expressions here in terms of y. So the question reads, given that y is equals to 2 to the power x, express each of the following in terms of y. Okay, so we've been given that y is equals to 2 to the power x, and then we want to express all these here in terms of y. So the first one there will have 2 and then 2 to the power x. Okay, so what we want to do to this expression is we want to make it a 2 power x. Okay, so we know that from here we can separate the powers. Okay, we can separate the 2 from the 2x, this power here. So we're going to write 2 to the power x, and then the 2 we move it outside the brackets there. Okay, so where there's 2x here, we are going to replace with y and then squared. Okay, so this 2 to the power 2x is the same as y squared. Alright, so that's the first one, and then the second one, let's solve it. Okay, so the second one, now we have 2 to the power x plus 3. Okay, so we know that from the laws of indices, if you have the powers adding there, okay, it means you are multiplying two expressions with the same base, but one with this power, the other one with this power. So this one here is the same as 2 to the power x multiplied by 2 to the power 3. Okay, so this is going to be equals to the 2 power x. We know that it is equals to what? To y, because we are told that y is equals to 2 power x. So it means this one becomes y multiplied by, what is 2 to the power 3? That will be 8. Okay, so this here will just be 8y. Okay, so this expression here is the same as 8y. So we've expressed it in terms of y. Alright, let's look at the last one. Okay, so the last one, don't forget that y is equals to 2x, 2 to the power x, I mean. So the last one, we have 1 divided by 4 to the power 2x minus 1. So we want to make this expression here to have a 2 power x somewhere. So what are we going to do? Okay, we are going to say this is the same as 1 divided by, so this 4 here, okay, becomes a 2 to the power 2, and then outside there I have a power 2x minus 1. Okay, and then from there we're going to have 1 divided by, okay, I'm going to bring this x inside this bracket, and then I'm going to take this 2 outside the bracket, so it will be 2 to the power x. Okay, so I can do this because multiplication is commutative, and then this 2 here will multiply with this 2 here to form a 4 outside, and then I have minus 1. Okay, so that is what I have. No, we can't do this, okay, because this guy here is 2x minus 1. Okay, so I didn't see that, so we can't use that one. So let's multiply first of all by this 2. We multiply with everything that we can see there, so it will be 2 to the power 2 multiplied by 2x, it will be 4x, and then 2 multiplied by minus 1, it will be minus 2. So this is correct now, and then this will be the same as 1 divided by, okay, so since here we are subtracting the powers, okay, we are subtracting the powers here, it means we were dividing two expressions with the same base. So this one here will be the same as 2 to the power 4x divided by 2 to the power 2. Okay, so we see that the bases are the same, so we are subtracting the what? The powers. Alright, so from there what do we have? Okay, we're going to have 1 divided by this 2 to the power 4x. There now we can put the 2 to the power x in the bracket and then raise it to the power 4. So it will be 2 to the power x, and then outside there I have a 4, and then I'm dividing all this by 2 to the power 2. So what is 2 to the power 2? 2 to the power 2 is 4. So I'm going to write 4 there. Okay, and by the laws of division here, I know that this here can be 1 multiplied by 4, and then we are dividing by 2 to the power x to the power 4. So what is 2 to the power x? Okay, this is what we are given here. So that is our y. So we're going to write y where there's 2 to the power x and then to the power what? 4. So the final answer will just be 4 divided by y to the power 4, like that. So this here is the final answer, and that's it for this question. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. For those who need extra lessons, we are offering extra lessons. You can inbox me on the number in the description of this video. You are going to find it. Okay, so just inbox me. Our lessons are 150 per course per month.